Good morning. It is May 9th, 2019, Thursday morning. So let's see what's going on with the Greater Las Vegas market. Okay, so lowest price today is a one-bedroom, one-bath condo, 786 square feet. No pictures. 165. Wow, that sounds pretty expensive for one bedroom. It is over on Las Vegas Boulevard in Gillespie. Okay, must be nicely refurbished. Let's take a look at the next one. 225 for a nice townhome, 1287 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 3 baths, built in 96. It's nice looking. Like one I just sold. Yeah. Yep. Same floor plan. Two-bedroom condo with a one-car garage. La Mesa, I think is what it is. Arroyo Mesa, that's what it is. Yep. For $2.25. Right over there, American Pacific and oh wow, no, this is different. Same builder, different location. Peace in Buffalo. Okay. Or Spring Valley. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay. So, highest priced $618. 3-car garage, single level. Pool, small pool. And where are we here? It's 2,400 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, 3-car garage with a pool. And it is on, oh, okay, Summerlin area. Okay. Then, whoops, let's go back. Lowest price yesterday. $84.9, manufactured home out of the area. Okay. And we go to a condominium. 976 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, over on Decatur. 2059. Pretty simple. Couple minor upgrades. Clean. Alright. Valley Drive and Cheyenne. Right above the North Las Vegas Airport. Okay. Well, a lot of listing just that's 200. We got this one right here. What is it? 3.45, 10,000 square foot house, 1991 built. Oh wow, good castle. I like that. Wow, that is pretty nice. Like a museum. Is it like Las Vegas or the lakes? I'm not sure yet. I've never seen anything like this before around here. A little paddle boat against the lakes. Wow. I like that. Lake Sahara. Red Rock Country Club Estates. $199. No, that's the wrong one. I clicked on the wrong property. There's the one I was looking for. Different Lake Estates. $1.5 million in carved mahogany. Refrigerator and boat included. Wow. That is some kind of house. 3¼ square foot. Okay, well, that's that. Okay, in escrow we have 670 in escrow. Sold. Price. Close. We have 1 story, 1386 square foot. Detached. How much? 305. Wow. Built in 62. Adams in Georgia. Where the heck is that? Boulder City. Okay. Explains that. And 306. Washington, 306. 2,000 square foot house. Huh. All white. Very vanilla. Okay. And yesterday, out of the area. Mar Vista. Manufactured home. Isn't that swell? 1 picture. 85 grand. Okay, so 5.8. $621. $1,000 house. Wow. Where is this? 3,800 square feet. Must be in a great area. A very large lot. 14,000 square foot lot. It just seems like a lot of money. Oh, no, only 164 square. Okay, well, so much for that. Okay, so that's that. So let's go on to search the pool homes like we've been doing. Today's kind of a gloomy day. So we'll do 2 and see what we can do here. Yep, they're all over the place still. go from 152,000 up to 1.89 million. And then active, so these go from 3.45 million down to 114,000. Interesting. Looks like it's pretty beat up. Yeah, I think we looked at this one the other day. It's got to be a bank owned. Yep. Auction. Oreo. Okay. 209 5369. Okay, well, I think that's it for today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day.